Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another install on the STI. This time it's another interior piece going in right there. Center console, center console cup holder. Changing that to Alcantara instead of the plastic. Pretty much all the Alcantara I have in the car is by Overland Designs. You can't go wrong with that company. Their products are really top notch and makes the interior look really sick. As you can see, I get a lot of compliments on how everything matches: the seat, the armrest, and shift boot and e-brake, and also the gauge cluster thing. So now we're just gonna replace that one, and yeah, just gonna make the car look overall a little bit better. I do have carbon fiber there. I think I'm gonna just keep the carbon fiber and then make my way up with more carbon fiber for the doing head unit. So might pick that up next. I don't know, we'll see. But overall, it looking really good on the interior. I just did on my recent video, I just swapped over to the Alcantara steering wheel by OLM, and I got that from Subaru. So definitely, I love the feel of this and how the way it looks on the car now. It just looks more, I don't know, should I say better? I don't know, leather looks okay, but I think overall Alcantara is the move for any car. I don't know why. Even though there is some wear and tear, a lot easier to wear and tear Alcantara than leather. But yeah, I definitely want to get some door cards. Not sure where I can pick some up, but I've been looking online to see if anybody wants to trade leather for their Alcantara door cards. We'll see. But yeah, let me just get started on the install. So it's going to replace that cup holder with some Alcantara. So let me just show you guys how it looks, what it looks like. All right guys, does come in this little box. Get rid of that. This is it. I got the STI one. It comes with the holes for the heated seats and then the hole for the DCCD control. This suede material is really good, Alcantara. Like an option for the black one, I don't want to get too much red in the car, so kind of want to have it kind of like a contrast. Just kind of like I have my shift knob where it's black Alcantara, and then everything else is kind of red. And then yeah, so just gonna match the steering wheel also, so that's pretty cool. I might pick up their Alcantara dash parts that they have, but we'll see. But yeah, let's just get this one on the car. It looks pretty sick. Looks like a simple install, just a bunch of screws, and yeah, shouldn't be too hard to get this off overall. Yeah, so let's go to the car and pick this up and get this installed. Let's see how well this install goes. Again, you do have to take some of this stuff out, so let me get rid of some of the stuff that's in the car right now. Okay, so there is two either 10 millimeters I think, or what you call it, screws in here. So you just want to remove those. All right, now that you got that removed, you should be able to pop your e-brake boot off. It's a tight fit because, all right, so get that out of the way. Okay, now, so first I'm just gonna unplug these really quick. It'll probably make it easier just to get it out of the car, get it out of the way. All right, so got all the clips off. Now let's move this to the bench really quick. Not the bench. All right, so I took it off because I think it's gonna be a lot easier just to do it over here than doing it in the car. All it is a bunch of screws. See how clearly you can see it? So you got to remove the thing. So you got one right here, and then two on this side. Okay, and this one right here. This one up here. All right, so you make sure you unplug the heated seat one and then the STI one that's down here. Oh, there we go. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me, guys. I think the cup holder thing, it's in the way, so I'm gonna have to take it off. There we go. Okay. All right, so now for this, all I have to do is transfer the STI control here. It's just held by 2 screws. Pretty simple. Now 1, 2. And then there's a couple tabs to release it. Just have to push them in, and it pops off. So yeah, let me get the heated seats. Also 2 screws. All right, so let's go ahead and screw in our heated seats control. It only goes one way, so. Done. It's on there. Looks good. Even though I don't need them, sooner or later, once I get the other seat, I'm definitely not gonna need it anymore. Because guess what? The other ones don't have heated seats either. So yeah, you just push this one in and it clicks right in. OEM part, guys, so that's why everything fits so perfectly. Now you just re-screw the screws into the 2 screws you took off earlier. All right, now that we got everything all cleaned up, now we can put back on our piece. Cup holder sneaks back in there. All right, so now I got that on there. Let me re-screw. I think it's 4 screws that I took off. I got one here by the cup holder, one on this side of the DCD control, DCCD control. All right, now one more, well, 2 more actually. One right by the heated seat control, and then one more by on the left side of the cup holder. Now we can reinstall this clip back on there, and we can reinstall clip back on the heated seats, and now we can put it back on the car. All right, guys, so let's put the console. That was an easy install. Well, I mean, all this stuff is easy installed. But yeah, this looks nice, holding it in my hand right now. Sure, it's not red. I should have gotten red, but I didn't want to put too much red. So let me know what you guys think. Does it look nice black? Or would you prefer me to have gotten it red? Honestly, I think it looks good. So let me just reposition this and reclip everything that I took off. All right, guys, whether it is quick install of this Alcantara piece from Overland Designs. So yeah, it matches really well with the red. I'm glad that I chose red. I chose black, because I think if I would have went red, it would have been too much red. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look good? You guys like Alcantara? I think it looks sick. I think I'm gonna get these. They sell the same part, but with Alcantara right here. I don't know, we'll see. I might just keep it how it is right now. Overall, I think this is pretty much it, guys. I can't wait to get the other seat, because yeah, it's missing the other seat just to complete this interior. But overall, looks good. It's an easy install. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Definitely looks better than the plastic that I had in there. And yeah, so that pretty much ends this video, guys. Simple install. Again, Overland Design. They have a lot of Subaru stuff for this car, so if you want to get some A-pillars or something done, they can do it. Overall looks good, so I might pick up their Alcantara I-doing thing if they have it. If not, I might just go carbon fiber. We'll see, because I do have some carbon fiber in here, like the wheel, these door cards things right here. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this overall. Like it. It looks really nice, and it just really makes the interior look a lot better. But yeah, just for me, I like doing this kind of stuff for myself, and since I drive this car mostly, it's, I don't know, just kind of a good feeling to sit in a car that looks really well. So really well taken care of and really well maintained. Well, yeah, for a 8-year-old car, definitely looks good. Let me know what you guys think about this little part that I got, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Almost to 600. So let's see if we can get to 600 subscribers, or maybe even 1,000. I know I'm not gonna hit that before the end of the year, but if you guys like the content, let me know. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.